Guys, for today's video, I'm doing Chainsaw Man Episode 4 Rescue. So far, I'm loving the series. The series is so nice. I love the style, the animation, the story is great. Denji is like clearly hilarious, and I love Power like so much. So I can't wait to meet more characters. I know there's so many more characters that we haven't seen yet, so I'm just gonna assume that with each episode we meet more people. So I'm excited to jump into this. Thank you guys so much, and let's get into episode 4 of Chainsaw Man Rescue. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm so ready for this. Okay, now we're ready. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Gotta get comfy. Oh my lord. Huh? What? Was that Power? Oh, because she needed blood, yeah. That's so sad. But she never went after people. She went after animals, but just so she can survive. Kotek. Meowie. Meowie got fat. Yeah. This is a really heavy opening. I get it. Meowie. Okay, stop. You can't have me crying so early. You're not freaking. Oh, you are. Okay, but Meowie's here. It's okay. I don't even have napkins. I should know that I should have napkins with every episode of this show. This is ridiculous. He wanted to feel your boobs, though. Oh my god. But she also said her thing was a foolish reason, so. What? What the? Bruh! What even is that? It has udders. Literally what? Oh my god, I love the opening. Why is this song so good? Oh, it's different. No, it's not. Nice, it is. One of the toppest of the tiers opening ever. Oh my god, the udders are making me so uncomfortable. I hate it. Get Meowie out of there right now. I'm gonna lose my mind. He can't even do anything. He can't do it. They're screwed. Oh my god, why is it like... Why does it have hair like that? Your man's? The voice. Meowie is an extremely calm cat. I just want to point that out there. This cat does not have a care in the world. And no, it's not just because it's in a cage. The amount of stuff that it has been through, and it is not like freaked out and curled up. It's like completely relaxed is insane. Ugh, at least it's padded landing. I feel like every devil, almost every devil has that dream. Not that romantic. She's... It's not wrong. Very strange dialogue, I gotta give it that. It's so weird. Oh my god, the udders flowing in the wind. I hate them so much. He's gonna time down with this, with the baddie's guts. Oh, that's so gross. Is his eye coming out of his head? That's so crazy scary. Oh, I don't like looking at that. It makes me want to hold my eye. I know it's this eye, but I can't see as much because I'm like, ugh. I hate that so much. Bro. No way. What? Leech Devil sounds about right. Who are these other people? Good. Making Meowie nice and chunky. Make sure she's healthy. She just betrayed you. She seems cool though. I actually respect that. I respect that a lot. I think that's fair. Not keep it in mind, just say it. When he eats, he sounds like that dog meme floating on the clouds, those planes. How is his hair defying gravity like that? How's that possible? I don't. I'm confused. Oh, he's gonna see. Yep. She's not. She's not stupid. She knows he's covering for him, and she's letting it slide. She's not gonna say anything though. Because they're bonding. I like that a lot. That vibe. Felt like I was there. I like. Wait, how did. He has so much more hair than the little freaking stub coming out of his head. How does he do that? This ASMR. It suddenly started defying gravity. You see that? It wasn't originally supposed to do that. It's power. Yup. She's staying with them? They're like children. He's like their dad, their caretaker. She's not gonna. What? Literally what? Well, he kind of started like that too. Why? You need to teach her some manners. Ew. Oh my god, with the poop? Oh my god. This got so serious so fast. This is ridiculous. She was a literal demon 10 seconds ago. I heard that every ending has a different, like, song and sequence, so. This ending is as chaotic as Power is. And I dig it. Just finished episode 4 of Chainsaw Man, and Power is exactly how I imagined her to be. You know, she's not entirely a person, she's not entirely devil, and she's got the manners of a devil, but she looks like a person. She does not flush when she goes to the bathroom, she covers it with toilet paper like a cat. She's probably learned that from Meowie. Oh my goodness. She hates vegetables. She has zero manners. This girl is wild. She doesn't bathe. But she's so funny and erratic, and it helps make the show so much more interesting because she's just wild. So she's very childlike, but so is Denji. So seeing them interact is hilarious. And I feel so bad for Hayakawa. I think that's his name. I feel so bad for him because he has to be like their caretaker, their dad, and he's mature and calm and just super low key. And he's just thrust into this situation of needing to take care of these literal children. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I keep thinking we're gonna meet more characters. We got some of like the other division, we saw some of them, but I need to meet more. So I'm just gonna keep saying next episode we're meeting more people because they can't just do this to us where they don't give us enough characters. I mean, it's not that there's not enough characters. I just want more. I just love seeing people interacting. So I'm excited. I know we met that girl with the eye patch. She looks like she's going to be a main character, but yeah, that's about it. I'm loving the show so far. I hope you guys are too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.